Hello children, in this video we are going to learn exercise 2.5 triangle chapter 10th and the 11th sum. First we'll see the 10th sum what they have given. They given the question as a guy wire attached to a vertical pole of a height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stalk attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stalk be driven so that the wire will be taut? Here one vertical pole is there. Vertical pole of a length, height of the vertical pole is 18 meter they have given. I will take this vertical pole as a OA and this guy wire as a AB. I will take. Here one stalk is there, here it is tied. How far it is there from base of the vertical pole we have to calculate here. But height of the vertical pole is 18 meter and length of the guy wire is 24 meter. We want to calculate the base of the pole to the stalk. Here it is tied, tightly it is tied to the stalk. How much far this stalk is there from the base of the vertical pole we want to calculate. Means we want to calculate the OB here by using Pythagoras theorem, because here vertical pole will be perpendicular to the base. Here it is 90 degree. So first we will write what we considered. Let OB be the vertical pole. Solution will see. Let OA be the vertical pole and AB be the wire. Apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle AOB. This AB is hypotenuse, therefore AB square is equal to AO square plus OB square. AB is 24 whole square is equal to AO is 18 square is equal to plus OB square. 24 is 576. 24 into 24 if you multiply you will get 576 is equal to 18 square is 324 plus OB square. Now 324 you transfer left side. 576 minus 324 is equal to OB square. OB square is equal to 576 minus 324. You will get as 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 minus 252. OB we want to get here, so OB is equal to square root of 252. 252 is not a perfect square, so just we will factorize this. We will get the factors of this number, but it is not a perfect square. 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 remains 6, 2 6s are 2 3s are. This is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 7 1s are. So if you group 2 and 3 in one group, means you can write 2 3s are 6. So you can write 252 as a 6 into 6 into 7. If you multiply 6 6 7 means you will get 252. Now 2 times 6 is there inside the square root. If you take out it will become 1 6. So 6 root 7 meter. So the distance from base of the pole to the stalk is 6 root 7 is the answer for this. Now we'll see the 11th sum what they have given. 11th sum is, we'll see the question what they have given first. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at the speed of 1000 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? Here two aeroplanes are there. Just I will write the directions first. Here they are telling two aeroplanes are flying from same airport. I will draw the diagram first and I will tell you what it is saying. Here like this. Here airport is there. I'll take that point as O. And this is east, west, north, south. Here an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north. One aeroplane is flying towards north and second aeroplane is flying towards west. And speed of the first aeroplane they are telling that 1000 km per hour, means in 1 hour it will travel 1000 km. Second aeroplane will travel 1200 km per hour. But it will, one aeroplane will move like this, one more aeroplane will move towards west. After 1.5 hours, what is the distance between the aeroplanes we want to calculate here? Here we know the speed of the first aeroplane and second aeroplane, and we know the time of the aeroplane after 1.5 hours where they will be, and what is the distance between the two aeroplanes we want to calculate here. So for that we know the speed. Speed formula is speed is equal to distance by time. Here we don't know how much distance they traveled in 1.5 hours, so we should calculate the distance, how much they traveled in 1.5 hours. Then we can calculate the distance between the, we want to calculate how far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours. What is the difference between distance between the two planes? If you want to calculate how much distance they traveled in 1.5 hours, we want to calculate. So speed formula is distance by time. Now we want to calculate the distance here. So speed we know, for the first aeroplane speed is 1000 km, for second aeroplane speed is 1200 km per hour. In 1 hour it will travel 1200 km. So time also we know 1.5 hours. In 1.5 hours how much distance they traveled we want to calculate. So distance formula will be distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. So we should write that how much distance first aeroplane moved. Therefore speed traveled by, distance traveled by first aeroplane. First aeroplane in 1.5 hours. We know the speed. Speed formula is, first aeroplane we taken. First aeroplane speed is 1000 into 1.5 hours. This you can write as 1000 into 1.5 you can write as if multiply this you convert into improper fraction. 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 500s are, means 500 into 3 is 1500 kilometers. I'll take this point as a first aeroplane point as it is traveled a distance of 1500 kilometers. First aeroplane. Similarly, distance traveled by second aeroplane in 1.5 hours only is equal to same, but speed of the second aeroplane is 1200. As is same, so 3 by 2 only you take. 2 1s are 600 into 3 is 1800 kilometers. Now I will take that point as a B. It is traveled a distance of 1800 kilometers. Now we want to calculate how far they are. How far apart will be two planes. One plane is here now after 1.5 hours. Second plane is at the point B, I considered like that. It is a traveled of distance of 1800 kilometers. Now distance between the two planes, how far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours. This AB we want to calculate now, and here it is 90 degrees. So if you apply Pythagoras theorem for OAB, we will get the AB here. So apply Pythagoras theorem to OAB. This is Pythagoras theorem. OAB, triangle OAB, means we will get AB square is equal to OB square plus OA square. OB square means 1800 square plus 1500 square. Here 18 square we know. 18 square is 324. 324. These 2 zeros will become 4 zeros. Plus 15 square is 225. 2 zeros will become 4 zeros. Now if you add these two, we will get the answer as add this and check once. 54940. So if you factorize this, we will get the answer as 9 into 6140. So we will get the answer as 300 root 61 kilometers. Therefore the distance between these planes will be the distance between these planes will be 300 root 61 kilometers after 1.5 hours. This is the answer. We got it. So this one just you have to factorize it and get the answer. You know how to factorize this. Here we factorize, no, like that you have to factorize and get the answer here. In the next video we are going to learn this same exercise 12th and 13th sum. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.